how to export your video inside Adobe After Effects using a different bitrate. So come here to File, Export, Add to Render Queue. Ctrl M is the hotkey. Now from here it went to there, to the render queue. Here at Output module we have the bitrate here. So click on this text, match render settings in this case. Here at Video Output, Format Options, click on that button. And here's the target bitrate. At bitrate settings you can open and close those. Target bitrate currently is set to 15. You can increase it to maximum 240. If you want to use a higher bitrate than 240, then here at encoding settings there is this main. Uncheck that one and modify main to high. And now you can use a higher bitrate than 240. Let's say 2000 if I want. Okay. Frame rate will be modified. Okay. Okay. Output 2, click on that not yet specified. Let's say the D drive. Save. That one is already checked. And click on render. Wait until this finishes. And rendering finalized. The source file was 53 megabytes. And the destination file is 800 megabytes. So of course don't use a higher bitrate than your source file. Properties, details, and here is the bitrate. 441,000 kilobits. That is 441 megabits, although it was set to 2000. The source file had only 28 megabits. So that's how to modify the output bitrate inside Adobe After Effects.